My people, we come here today to talk about Ebola. So you must ask any question about the Ebola disease. The bad Ebola disease now kill plenty innocent people. So my people, joining us today to understand the deadly Ebola disease is Mr. Freeman from the Ministry of Health.
Okay, my people. Ebola virus disease, also called the EVD, is an infectious, meaning it can infect people, and generally fatal disease marked by fever and severe internal bleeding, spread through contact with infested body fluids. Ebola is real and it is serious. There is no medicine to cure Ebola. However, people have been working to make medicine that can cure people who get Ebola, and that can help healthy people so they don't catch it. Until these people make the medicine, we need to listen to the doctors and the health officials on how to keep people from catching Ebola.
The Ebola sound queer.
This is not true, my people. Ebola does not stop to ask you for your name, your tribe, your gender, whether you male or woman, your age, your partner, your money, wherever you come from. Everyone can catch Ebola. The symptoms of Ebola are very, very common. Fever, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach ache, and bleeding from parts of the body you cannot explain.
How will I know I get Ebola? But the whole Ebola thing sound like I get malaria.
Yes, Ebola symptoms resemble malaria, but it is not malaria. You cannot catch malaria from being around a sick person. Can you?
No.
Good. Unlike malaria, you can catch Ebola from a sick person. If you are in direct contact with someone who has died of Ebola or had these symptoms, you are at risk. You will start to feel the symptoms within 2 to 21 days. If you do go to the nearest Ebola treatment unit and get tested immediately, the earlier you get tested, the better chance you have of surviving and not infesting your family and friends.
Okay.
My people, they ain't got no medicine for Ebola. What the doctor will do is to treat your immune system before the Ebola virus attack the immune system that is inside part of your body. Yeah, the inside part of your body is responsible for fighting the viruses. The stronger the immune system is, the better it can fight the viruses. Many people not survive from the Ebola virus yet. I know you asking yourself the question, what can I do so I can catch the Ebola virus yet? But listen now, make sure to wash your hands before eating, touching your mouth, your eyes, nose, or touching someone sick. Do not touch other people's blood or body fluid. Do not clean up blood or vomit. If you have to, use a glove and chloride or bleach or chlorine in your ear.
Yeah.
So why is it the government people telling you not to bury our people now?
The government is right, my people. When someone dies of Ebola, that is when the disease is frisky. It is easy to spread. Just because the person dies doesn't mean the virus died with them. It is still living and can infect you.
I wonder how to do.
Yes, it is. But when we have to prevent this disease killing all of us, the health officials were trained on how to remove and take care of the dead body so the virus does not infest others. And do not touch the diseased person's things. The health officials will have to burn all materials the diseased person came in contact with. Once upon a time, monkey was our friend, right?
Yes. Now they're telling us not to eat monkey meat. Ebola no monkey meat?
Yes.
Yo. Today monkey nana our friend. And not just monkey meat, but other bush meat such as bat, grass cutter, deer, antelope, and king's rat. Do not play with them or eat it. Whether you cook it or not, do not eat it.
Ebola is trouble. Ebola needs to go, yeah.
Ebola been here, that's small been here.
The Ebola thing, not small thing. Ebola is really trouble.
Ebola? That's what killing you.
That trouble in the play here.
I'm telling you,
and I know about it
yesterday. The meat we used to eat before, we can't eat it again. And they say we shouldn't even cook it. Ebola needs to go. We can kick Ebola out, right?
Yes.
Ebola must go. We can prevent it from killing more of our family and our friends. There is no place in our community for Ebola, yeah.